how to get rid of adult or unwanted content from Facebook feed. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the FB Purity extension to desexualize your feed and make your Facebook experience exactly how you want it to be. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. I've been having a lot of trouble using Facebook over the years. If I open my feed, I tend to get a barrage of softcore corn in the form of Facebook Reels, and they don't really give you a way to get rid of this stuff. That is, until you install this extension, Facebook Purity. Facebook Purity runs on the major Windows browsers, such as Firefox, Chrome, and Edge, where you can get them for essentially free. You can also get it on Safari for a Mac, but you may need to pay $2 for a program called Tampermonkey. If you don't want to pay the $2, I would just recommend using Chrome for the Mac. Follow the instructions on the website to get this downloaded and installed, and once it's finished, go to Facebook. Once you get there, you'll notice next to your profile picture there is a new button. These are your Facebook Purity settings. The menu on what you can filter here is gigantic and could constitute a whole video in itself. But for the best ways to clean up, I would recommend focusing on the photo posts and the video post tabs. Under photo posts, they offer options to turn off most of the photos. For example, you can turn off most of the memes by hitting this checkbox here. The one I've been finding most useful is the video posts. As a straight man in his 20s who doesn't consume sexual content, Facebook seems to think that's all I would like to see, in the form of Reels. So by me going here and clicking this checkbox, I can completely turn off Reels, and now my Facebook is 80% cleaner than it used to be. I could never open it in public before. If you take a look through these options, I'm sure that you're going to find you can make your Facebook significantly cleaner. Unfortunately, this isn't available on a phone yet, but when you're using it on a computer, it helps significantly. If any of you would like a more detailed video on some of these options, please let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much.